reattach this piece to this headlight. Save this headlight. Start by just lining it up. This can sometimes be a tricky part. You want to make sure you get it lined up really well. That way you don't weld it in the wrong position. I've already preheated my spade a little bit. Just going to try to melt a couple spots. Tack it in place a little bit. So you can see a better glimpse of the actual welding that's going to take place. Just do a quick bead across the front there. Grab a resin rod. Torch. Start up in the corner. Push it as low as possible. You want to kind of just play with it and never keep it right there. You're just trying to liquefy, cool the plastic. The challenge a lot of times that you get is the plastic's so thin, especially on these headlights. We're only welding from the one side. You can't access the inside of it to weld. So everything has to happen from the outside, so we have to make sure we get a good solid bond. Now so if you look at it, when I first started laying it down, standing up, but then as the heat transferred into it, it started kind of pooling, it started just leveling off. Alright. I'll take an iron and smooth that off. That's going to be nice and strong. I'll finish all welding and I'll take another video of the finished product.